Villa Orizzonte, situated in the Italian Pianura Padana, at the edge of a small town by a river, emphasizes integration with its natural surroundings. The single-story villa replaces an old two-story house, and features a horizontal design that harmonizes with the landscape, maximizing views and energy efficiency through southward orientation and a distinctive roof. The roof serves as the villa's fifth FDE, balancing voids and solids to create both indoor and outdoor spaces. Key openings include a courtyard entrance, private areas for the bedrooms, a patio for the master bedroom, and a skylight that illuminates the corridor. This design fosters a connection between the interior and the surrounding environment. The villa is divided into two distinct volumes, a stone-clad section for service areas, and a lighter structure housing the main living spaces. Large sliding glass doors allow seamless transitions between the interior and garden, creating private courtyards throughout the building. The layout promotes comfort, privacy, and visual connectivity among spaces. The design of Villa Orizzonte reflects a cohesive architectural language, with all elements crafted under the same philosophy. Interior spaces are characterized by a suspended marble fireplace and a minimalistic approach to window frames, enhancing fluidity and blurring the lines between the built environment and nature. Water features play a key role in cooling and visually expanding the space.